Think AI is only for coders and tech geniuses? Think again. In 2025, some of the most powerful AI tools on the planet are completely free and ready for you to use right now. Whether you want to write faster, create images, automate tasks, or just explore what's possible, this list is for you. Welcome to AITHORITY, where we demystify the world of artificial intelligence and show you how to actually use it. Today, we're breaking down the best free AI tools for beginners in 2025. These aren't just toys or gimmicks. They're powerful, beginner-friendly apps that can help you write smarter, create faster, learn more efficiently, and save time across your day. No credit card, no trial expiration, just real tools for real people. Let's get started. Writing and communication. 1. ChatGPT Free, OpenAI. Yes, you can still use ChatGPT for free in 2025. The free tier gives you access to GPT 3.5, which is perfect for brainstorming ideas, writing emails, summarizing articles, learning new topics. Simply head to chatopenai.com, create a free account, and start chatting. It's intuitive, fast, and perfect for beginners. Want GPT-4? That's still paywalled. But GPT 3.5 is surprisingly powerful for everyday use. 2. Quill Bot. This tool rewrites sentences to improve clarity, tone, or conciseness. Great for students, writers, or professionals who want to sharpen their writing. Bonus: it includes a grammar checker, summarizer, and citation generator, all free with limited daily use. 3. Compose AI, a Chrome extension that uses AI to autocomplete your emails, LinkedIn posts, and even Google Docs drafts. It learns your tone over time, and the free tier is generous for most users. Image creation. 1. Bing Image Creator, DALL-E 3. Want to generate beautiful images from text? Bing Image Creator gives you free access to DALL-E 3, the same model used by ChatGPT+. Use it for YouTube thumbnails, product mockups, story visuals, social media, art. Just head to bing.com, images, create, type your prompt, and go. It's free. You just need a Microsoft account. 2. Canva. AI Canva now includes multiple AI features in its free plan. Text-to-image generator. Magic Write. AI copywriting in Canva Docs. Background remover previews, ideal for beginners in marketing, content creation, or anyone building personal branding assets. 3. Leonardo. AI free tier. Want something more artistic and customizable? Leonardo is a powerful image model with a generous free plan. Great for game art, product design, concept visuals, and even logos. Audio, voice, and video. 1. 11 Labs, free voice generation. Yes, the ultra-realistic voice generator everyone's talking about has a free tier. You can clone your voice, limited samples, generate up to 10,000 characters a month for free. Choose from dozens of studio-quality voices perfect for YouTube, podcasts, explainer videos, or accessibility features. 2. Pika Labs, AI video. Want to create short cinematic videos from text? Pika is one of the leading AI video generators, and as of 2025, it still offers free access with render limits. Just type a prompt, adjust settings, and get a 3-4 second clip in minutes. It's one of the fastest growing AI tools in the creative space, and you don't need editing experience to use it. 3. Descript, free audio-video editor. Descript combines AI transcription, podcast editing, and video trimming in one place. The free tier includes 1 hour of transcription, multi-track audio-video editing, overdub voice cloning previews. Think podcast editing made as simple as Word. Productivity and automation. 1. Notion. AI free with Notion free plan. Notion AI is now bundled into Notion's free personal plan. Use it to summarize notes, brainstorm project ideas, auto-structure documents, translate or improve clarity. Bonus: Notion is one of the best all-in-one productivity tools out there. 2. Zapier free automation tier. Want to connect apps without coding? Zapier's free plan lets you create up to 5 automations, zaps, with AI assistance. Example: when someone fills a form, auto-send a Slack message. New email equals autosave PDF to Dropbox AI helps build the logic for you. No tech background needed. 3. TLDV, too long, didn't view. This free Chrome extension automatically records and summarizes Zoom, Google Meet, and Teams meetings using AI. Perfect for students, remote teams, or anyone who misses a call. Learning and exploration. 1. Perplexity. AI, think of it as AI-powered Google with sources. Ask anything, and Perplexity gives concise, sourced summaries using the latest data. Great for research, idea generation, or staying current on news and trends. Free, fast, and no account needed to start. 2. Khan Academy with GPT-4, Khan-Migo, available for students and teachers. This GPT-4 powered assistant explains math, science, and even writing in plain English. Free with registration for most features, and incredibly helpful for learners at any level. 3. Gamma app, want to turn a written idea into a slideshow instantly? Gamma uses AI to create elegant professional slides from your text prompts. The free plan lets you generate multiple presentations a month, perfect for students, freelancers, or content creators. Honorable mentions, fast changing. These tools are exploding right now, worth checking out. Luma AI, 3D scenes from video input, still in free beta. Wizard, UI design, mockups from text. ClipDrop, remove backgrounds, enhance images with one click. Murph AI, limited free voiceover samples. ChatDoc, ask questions about PDFs, great for reports. Many of these offer free tiers or early access, so get in before they go pay only. So there you have it, 15 plus of the best AI tools you can start using today for free. No excuses, no gatekeeping, no coding degree required. Whether you're curious about AI, want to boost your productivity, or just explore what's possible, these tools are your springboard. Hit subscribe to AITHORITY for weekly drops on the best tools, trends, and tips in AI, explained simply. Drop a comment. Which tool are you going to try first? Or do you have a favorite we missed? And tomorrow, we're asking a huge question. Is Claude 3.5 better than GPT-4? You won't want to miss the showdown.